There have been many efforts to induce eryptosis using ionomycin. However, the exact procedure for this process is not clearly outlined in the literature. We provide a step-by-step procedure to induce eryptosis using ionomycin. The main advantage of this procedure is to induce eryptosis in human erythrocytes in a reliable and reproducible manner.
To begin, add 500 microliters of cold whole blood and acid citrate dextrose to a microcentrifuge tube. Centrifuge the whole blood at 700 times G for 5 minutes at room temperature and remove the clear plasma and the thin buffy coat using a pipette to leave the red erythrocyte layer. Prepare 1 liter of Ringer solution containing 125 millimolar sodium chloride, 5 millimolar potassium chloride, 1 millimolar magnesium sulfate, 32 millimolar heaps, 5 millimolar glucose, and 1 millimolar calcium chloride. Adjust the pH to 7.4 by adding 2 microliter drops of 1 molar sodium hydroxide. To prepare glucose-free Ringer solution, follow the same protocol but do not include glucose in the solution. Wash the erythrocytes twice in Ringer solution by suspending the cell pellet in 1.5 milliliters of Ringer solution, centrifuging at 700 times G for 5 minutes at room temperature, and removing the supernatant. Then make a 0.4% hematocrit by resuspending 40 microliters of the erythrocyte pellet in 9,960 microliters of glucose-free Ringer solution to reach a final volume of 10 milliliters.